Problems on time, speed and distance are very common in competitive exams like banking, SSC, CSAT, etc. Knowing the shortcut methods for solving such quantitative aptitude problems will give you an edge, as most competitive exams also test your time management skills. The basic concepts of time, speed and distance revolve around its formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. For example, if you know the speed of any vehicle and the distance covered by that vehicle, then you can easily calculate the time taken for the entire journey by using the above formula. Let's have a look at some basic formulas and shortcut methods for problems related to time, speed and distance. Basic conversions. Conversion parameter formulas. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply the speed in kilometer per hour by 5 upon 18. A kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 a meter per second. To convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply the speed in meter per second by 18 upon 5. A meter per second is equal to 18 upon 5 a kilometer per hour. Example, a train traveling at the rate of 72 km per hour crosses a pole in 8 seconds. What is its length? Solution, time is equal to 8 seconds. Speed is equal to 72 km per hour is equal to 72 into 5 upon 18 meter per second is equal to 20 meter per second. Length is equal to speed into time is equal to 8 into 20 is equal to 160 meter. Average speed. The basic formula for average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Average speed is equal to d1 plus d2 plus dn upon t1 plus t2 plus tn. When distance is constant, the average speed is given by the formula average speed is equal to n upon 1 upon s1 plus 1 upon s2 plus 1 upon sn, where S1, S2, Sn are the different speeds. For two speeds, average speed is equal to 2 S1 S2 upon S1 plus S2, where S1 and S2 are the two different speeds. For example, if a car travels distance at a speed of x km per hour and returns at y km per hour, then the above formula can be used to calculate the average speed. When time is constant, the average speed is given by the formula average speed is equal to S1 plus S2 plus Sn upon n. For two speeds, average speed is equal to S1 plus S2 upon 2. Relative speed. The relative speed of two bodies traveling at speeds of x km per hour and y km per hour in the same direction is given by x minus y km per hour. In the opposite direction is given by x plus y km per hour. Example, a man rides a motorcycle for 11 km at 20 km per hour and for 20 km at 11 km per hour. What is the average speed of both his trips? Solution, time to cover 11 km is equal to 11 upon 20 hours. Time to cover 20 km is equal to 20 upon 11 hours. Total time is equal to 11 upon 20 plus 20 upon 11 is equal to 521 upon 220 hours. Speed is equal to 31 into 521 upon 220 is equal to 73.41 km per hour. If you found this video on formulas and shortcuts for time, speed and distance useful, then do visit www.jagranjosh.com for more such videos on quantitative aptitude.